Hello students, today I am going to discuss a very important chapter in computer, which is formula and function in Microsoft Excel. So what is formula and function in Microsoft Excel? To understand this chapter, we have to consider a few points in mind, like what we have to understand in this chapter. What is worksheet, what is workbook, what do you mean by cell, what is cell range, how to select a cell range, what is referencing. There are two type of cell referencing, absolute and relative. What do you mean by functions, and what are the different formulas and function, and how can we use those formula in Microsoft Excel. So I have written here that constants, these are the elements of formula. Constants are some values which are directly entered into a formula. For example, in Microsoft Excel, you are entering numbers or alphabets. Second, reference. Reference are used to refer to cell or range of cell. Sometimes we want to refer cell A1 to E5, then we used to refer A1 colon E5, that is a reference. Operators are some special symbol that we use while making any charts in MS Excel. These are operators. Function are the inbuilt code which perform particular calculation. So here I have made a note regarding how you have to enter a formula. First, you have to click the cell where you want to insert the formula. For example, this is the cell. Here you can see we have the fruit name, we have the serial number, fruit name, and cost of the fruits. Here you can see I have entered the cost of the fruits. Then here you can see equals to C2 plus C3 plus C4, that is C2 plus C3 plus C4. That is the formula to calculate the total cost. So you have to put equal sign before writing any formula. And when you write equal sign formula, and after you press enter, here you can see, press the enter key, the result will appear in the cell C5. You can see this is C2 plus C3 plus C4, then this is C5. The result will be shown here only. Here we have another thing. We have three buttons in MS Excel: cancel, enter, and insert function. Cancel if you want to cancel any formula. Enter if you want to get the result of the formula. Insert function if you want to insert any new function. Text operator in Excel. See, we have the description of ampersand operator. This is called ampersand. This is used to concatenate. It is used to combine two or more text value using the ampersand character. So here you can see, when we write equal to double quotes welcome ampersand double quotes ampersand home inside double quotes, then what we are getting, welcome home. So this is how we can use the operator. Entering a text function, how we can enter any text function. For example, we have to calculate any cell. We have to calculate some text in the